Alright, what are you doing?
I'm Lewis, and this is my bike check on the Demos channel.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Right, what are we starting
Right,
with?
first off, we've got the Odyssey Brock Rayford grips, black and white, to match black and white.
Sick.
The bars are the Primo rebar bars, pretty decent. I've got a Federal Love top load stem,
Let's try and get that Federal logo.
fresh.
Yeah, just
A bit
about
shit
get
because you can't see anything, but
right.
still fresh. I have a total Killer Bee headset, bit of jet fuel action. Then down to my forks, I have Odyssey R32s, snazzy.
Quite nice.
The front wheel is a United stock,
sponsored by your boy.
sponsored by your boy JME. Then the frame, the main piece. This is the Tall Order 215 frame. Bit dirty and scratched, but that's what I get for getting a white frame.
What else you got? Oh wait, there's a for that as well.
Got a demo sticker repping the sponsor. Right, then the seat post. We got
on the seat post.
Colony something, jet fuel again. A little bit scratched up because my mate Jamie hit up the sponsor. Then I go to the seat, which is a Stranger LZ signature.
Stranger LZ.
Fresh.
Very nice.
Then down to my cranks. I have the Primo Stevie Churchill cranks. Wonderful. I have the Alone something pedals.
You've got to be Alone pedals
or something. I don't know.
You know when he gets lonely. Yeah.
My sprocket.
What we got? Sprocket.
I have the premium something sprocket, black and like chrome, so it's a smoke effect because it's cheap and it's decent.
What chain you rocking?
Chain, I've got a Shadow Conspiracy V2, probably the best chain. Back wheel, I have a Colony left side drive free coaster.
Yeah, I don't even know what the actual.
No, nor do I. And I don't know what rim it is, so yeah, sweet.
I think isn't it a proper rim?
I know the other rim's a proper one, but I don't know what that.
What about your tyres? What you got for your tyres?
Tyres, here they are. The Primo Churchill tyres. Looking fresh,
snazzy.
very nice.
Very nice.
I have plastic pegs as well because I'm street as heck.
What about your bottom bracket? What you got for your bottom bracket?
Bottom bracket, I've got a Primo bottom bracket. I don't know if it come with the cranks, so I thought I'd put it in. That's pretty much it.
Your hub guard.
Oh, my hub guard, yeah. The one thing that keeps my hub looking fresh. It's a Federal something hub guard. What is it? I don't know. It's just a
Federal hub guard, yeah.
Rear hub guard. Pegs have the Primo Billinary, Beery, whatever they are. Plastic pegs.
You butchered it.
Street as heck, mate.
That's about it.
That is my bike check.
Get some clips, mate.
Get some clips, get some stunts. Alright, ready? First one right here.
First one right here. Go. Yeah. Yeah.